What I'm about to show you could blow your mind. That clip was a fake. It wasn't me. It was an AI clone of me. My voice and the video were totally created with AI. As is this, again, not me. But now let's hand over to the real Trev. Now for some years I've actually been looking for what I'm about to show you today, and that is a really effective way to create faceless videos that you can use to do review videos just like I do, to make insane affiliate commissions without ever using your own face or your own voice. Now some people might think, well, no, I'm okay with that, Trev, I don't mind using my face and using my voice, but I'm telling you now, the majority of people don't, and I didn't want to when I first started out, so I totally get that. I used to hide myself away. I didn't want people listening to me when I was recording, and so I understand why that would be an issue for you. But more importantly, because of the advances of AI, it now means that we're able to create videos that would be just like this video here, where I'm sitting here, I've got my DSLR camera, I've got my professional microphone here, I'm going to edit all of this in an editing studio after, but all of that takes so much time. Whereas now what we're able to do is use an avatar that looks like this and use a professionally cloned voice that sounds exactly like us, put those together and then make money from that. This, for example, isn't me. The voice is AI and the video is AI. Now the thing is as well, you don't have to use your own avatar and you don't have to use your own cloned voice. So if you want to go under the radar and be someone completely different, then you can absolutely do that. And this is convincing stuff. In fact, let me show you an example of how convincing this is. This is inside the members area, and this is the first video of the Faceless method, and it's an introduction from Robin. I'll just play this for you.
In this video, I'll be showing you the exact system I use to generate AI videos that sell without recording my face or recording my voice. There are two methods of doing this.
Now, believe it or not, that was not Robin. And you can't tell. I mean, you just can't tell. So that just shows you what can be achieved these days thanks to AI when it comes to creating videos, avatars, people who are not real but seem real. This, for example, isn't me. The voice is AI and the video is AI. So that you can get stuff done. Now, you can do this in front of the telly, all right? That's the thing as well. I'm sitting here in my studio. This is the real me. I'm sitting here in my studio and I couldn't do this in front of the telly. All right, but you could do this if you wanted to, in front of the TV, sitting there on your laptop and literally just follow what Robin does. Now, the reason that I paid attention to this originally, when I first saw this, was because I've actually been competing against Robin on the leaderboards, and sometimes where, it'll be neck and neck and I'll just beat him. And I'm thinking, Robin, what are you doing? What are you doing to enable you to get this kind of advance on the leaderboards when I've not seen you launching products and I've not seen you out in the space? Now, he's launched this product, which is basically going to show you what he's been doing and how he's been doing that. But the good news is for you that this is a really simple process, it's a really simple program, and it's going to show you absolutely everything you need to know to be able to knock out really good high converting review videos where you don't ever use your face and you don't ever use your voice. All right, so as always, I'm going to give you some insane bonuses. If I take you over to my bonus bundle, so you're going to get the members area access, full access to Auto High Ticket Cloaker. That's going to show you how you can get high ticket commissions on autopilot, but you're also going to get the front end bump from that. So if I just show you, if I go over to the offer, so Auto High Ticket is $17.97. The bump is the high ticket closer, that's $9.97. And you're also going to get the OTO one, which is the one-click commission boosters, and we can see that over here, the one-click commission boosters, that's $47. And you're also going to get OTO2, the 5-day auto commission system, and that is there at $97, all right? But you're also going to get the Email Generator Pro. Now, if you pick up the bundle that I've got for you here with this, which is a very, very special offer, I'm also going to throw in the 7-figure incubator. And the 7-figure incubator is another full program. What I love about this is that this is going to teach you how Robin has been doing all this wonderful stuff with AI, step by step, to create clones of himself and just literally like pump out content left, right and center and make thousands of dollars online. That full course there is included for you free of charge on top of the other bonuses if you pick up the bundle deal. Now, what's the bundle deal, I hear you ask? Well, the bundle deal is this. So this is the sales page for the Faceless ATM cash machine. And on the sales page, you're going to see you can get the front end for just $12.99. So fine, if you just want to come in and you want to maybe pick up one or two of the upgrades, and I'm going to show you what they are as well, then you can do that. But if you want to save a lot of money, like instead of paying $167, just pay $99 and get the whole funnel, then that is the deal you want to go for. So that's going to get you the front end, the OTO 1, the OTO 2, and the OTO 3. All right, so let me just show you what the upgrades are about. Right, so the front end is the Faceless ATM machine, which is a fully AI powered system that lets you earn commissions online without ever showing your face or using your voice. It's built on a proven method that's already generated multiple six figures and has now been simplified so anyone can start fast, even with zero experience. And I can tell you that is absolutely what this is all about. Right, you can launch in minutes, skip the tech headaches, and let the AI handle the heavy lifting while you stay completely anonymous. And I know that appeals to a lot of people. Now, upgrade number 1 at $37, never get stuck again with taking the entire Faceless ATM machine training, every hack, shortcut, and hidden strategy, and uploaded it into a custom AI that's on call 24/7. Ask anything, get the perfect step-by-step answer instantly. No waiting, no guesswork, no roadblocks. While everyone else struggles for weeks, you'll move faster, smarter, with near zero effort, like playing a different game with the cheat code already loaded. All right, so that is going to give you a fully loaded AI. It's like an AI bot that's got all of the answers for the Faceless ATM machine that you ever could need in there. All right, so it's a good upgrade. The second upgrade, what if every time you needed cash you could push a button and instantly have proven profit pulling emails ready to send? That's exactly what this system delivers. It's built on the exact emails responsible for six figures a year, now bottled into a custom AI copywriter, step-by-step training and push button app that builds your list and sends unlimited emails for free. No skills, no waiting, just click send and watch the sales roll in. That's $47. And then instant profits at $67, get access to all of our best products and best bonuses, the exact system, shortcuts and tools that have already pulled in six figures plus. Use them however you want. Plug them into your own business and start profiting. Give them away as bonuses to explode your sales. That's very, very powerful. Offer them as lead magnets to build your list. Again, very, very powerful. Or bundle them into your own super offer. All right, so they're the free upgrades, and you can get all of those for just $99, including the front end. And when you do that, I will, as I said, throw in this, the 7-figure incubator complete course, absolutely free of charge. All right, on top of my other bonuses. So you get all those bonuses anyway. You get the high ticket auto high ticket cloak of the front end bump for that, the OTO 1, the OTO 2, the email generator pro. You get all of that, all right, completely free when you pick up the front end. And if you pick up that bundle and save yourself a fortune, then you're also going to get the 7-figure incubator. Okay, so this is a solid program, and this is definitely what you need as we're now experiencing the development, the advancement of AI. You don't want to be left behind. I'm doing a lot of work on AI, and in fact I've got a new high ticket program coming that's going to teach you everything you need to know about making money online with AI and staying ahead of that wave that's coming. All right, so keep an eye out for that. But in the meantime, this is a very, very affordable way for you to get into this straight away and follow a process that somebody's actually tried and tested. Robin has been doing this successfully. He's been making really, really decent commissions, and as I said, he's been competing with me on the leaderboard, so you know that this stuff absolutely works. All right, so if you'd like to step into this business, be able to get daily affiliate commissions, and remember, these low ticket commissions that you get might be on a $7 product, for example, but they always have a funnel, and you'll get paid commissions on all of those as you go through if anyone takes them. So the more that you can put out there, the more chances you've got. And this is going to show you how you can do that anonymously, faceless, no, not your own voice, just everything using AI, but super, super realistic, step-by-step training on everything you need to know is included inside. It's really easy, and you just need to do this as soon as you can. So my recommendation would be go for that bundle. Get the whole lot. Just $97 or $99? $99 for the whole lot. Front end, OTO 1, OTO 2, OTO 3. That's the best deal. Plus you get that extra bonus from me. As always, if you've got any questions, please don't hesitate to ask. And in the meantime, I wish you and yours all the best. You take care.